Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change where your saved projects will be saved in, I guess. So go to menu and go back to homepage first, and you're going to select the settings tab here, and you will select the settings tab again, and here there's going to be a save to, and this is where I saved all my CapCut files into. Select the folder, and for instance you want to save it in your C drive, select the C drive and select another folder if you'd like to. Don't forget to press select folder. Once you're done with that, you're going to select save, and it's going to be moved to that folder now. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!